When you're searching for the best shocks for your Toyota Tacoma, everything looks the same. Same features, same flashy claims. But to find what genuinely works for your ride, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1. Detroit Axle Complete Suspension Kit. The Detroit Axle Complete Suspension Kit really caught my eye with its all-in-one solution for Tacoma owners. Priced at $197.83, it's positioned as a reliable choice without breaking the bank. If you're looking for a comprehensive setup that gets your Tacoma back on the road, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This kit includes 2 front struts with coil springs and 2 rear shock absorbers, making it perfect for 2005 to 2015 Tacoma models. No additional parts or special tools are needed for installation, which means you can save time and hassle. Plus, with a 10-year warranty, you can feel confident in its durability. It has a solid rating of 4.3 stars from over 2,500 reviews. What truly surprised me is that these shocks have undergone rigorous testing for impact and fatigue, ensuring you're getting a product that can really handle tough conditions. Now, some people complained about the installation instructions being a bit vague. Here's the thing, though. If you're a DIY enthusiast or have some experience, you might find the installation straightforward. But if you're a complete newbie, it might take a bit longer than expected. This is perfect for you if you want an all-inclusive suspension solution that's easy to install. Skip this one if you're looking for something specifically tailored for lifted models. At this price point, you're getting great value. Now, if the installation complexity bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Torch Extended Rear Shocks. Next up, we have the Torch Extended Rear Shocks, which are designed for Tacoma owners looking to enhance their lift setups. At $129.95, these shocks are a smart pick for those wanting a quality boost without spending a fortune. If you're planning on a 2 to 4 inch lift, this is definitely worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This set fits 2005 to 2023 Tacoma models. But here's the catch. It's only for the 6 lug variants. These shocks are specifically designed for lifted trucks, ensuring better handling and stability on uneven terrain. Installation is made easy with a bolt-on kit and step-by-step instructions, making it accessible even for those doing it themselves for the first time. With a 4.6 star rating from 260 reviews, the feedback has been largely positive, especially regarding their performance in off-road conditions. Now, some users noted that they needed to purchase a lift kit separately, which was a bit of a bummer. But I'll be real with you. If you're already looking into lifting your Tacoma, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. It's just part of the game when enhancing your truck's performance. This is perfect for you if you're planning to lift your Tacoma and want a reliable rear shock solution. Skip this one if you have a 5 lug model or prefer something that comes as a complete kit. For the performance and price, it's a solid investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those on a tighter budget. Product number 3, Rough Country N3 Rear Shocks. The Rough Country N3 Rear Shocks offer a great balance between performance and price. At $119.95, these shocks are an affordable option for Tacoma owners who want to upgrade without emptying their wallets. If you want reliable performance for your 2005 to 2023 Tacoma without breaking the bank, this is worth checking out. Here's why this matters for you specifically. These shocks feature a 10-stage variable valving system that adjusts to different driving conditions, providing a smoother ride whether you're on the highway or off-road. They're also nitrogen-charged, ensuring they perform well in extreme temperatures. With a solid rating of 4.3 stars from 161 reviews, many users appreciate how well these shocks absorb bumps and improve ride quality. Now, some reviews pointed out that the installation can be challenging due to the design. Here's the thing though, if you have some basic mechanical skills, you'll likely manage just fine, but if you're a complete beginner, it might take a bit of extra work. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly upgrade that doesn't compromise on quality. Skip this one if you're looking for something with a more premium feel. For the price, you're definitely getting great value. If you're looking for something that really stands out in terms of performance, the next one on my list is a fantastic option. Product number 4, Rough Country 0 to 5.5 inch in 3 rear shocks. Next is another offering from Rough Country, this time for older Tacoma models. The Rough Country 0 to 5.5-inch in 3 rear shocks are priced similarly at $119.95. If you're driving a 1995 to 2004 Tacoma and want to improve your suspension, this could be a great option. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Just like its sibling, these shocks come with a 10-stage variable valving system, ensuring you get a smooth ride no matter the terrain. Plus, they're designed to withstand tough conditions with their military-grade fluid rated to extreme temperatures. With a 4.3-star rating from 135 reviews, users have found these to significantly enhance their vehicle's handling, especially off-road. Now, some users mentioned that they felt these shocks were a bit too stiff for daily driving. Here's the thing, though, if you spend most of your time off-road, that stiffness can actually provide better stability, so it really depends on what you prioritize in your driving experience. This is perfect for you if you own a 1995 to 2004 Tacoma and want an upgrade for off-road capabilities. Skip this one if you primarily drive on smooth city streets. For the performance, it's a solid deal. And if you're looking for something even more budget-friendly, you might want to consider the last option on my list. Product number 5, A-Premium Rear Shocks. Finally, we have the A-Premium Rear Shocks, which are the most budget-friendly option at just $50.99. If you're on a tight budget but still want to replace your old shocks, this is definitely worth a look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. These shocks are compatible with various Tacoma models from 1995 to 2004, and they offer a direct replacement that's easy to install. Made from high-strength, cold-rolled carbon steel, these shocks aim to restore your vehicle's ride height and handling. They've got a solid rating of 4.3 stars from 80 reviews, which isn't too shabby for the price. Now, some users have reported durability issues over time. Here's the thing, though. If you're just looking for a temporary fix or you don't drive your Tacoma hard, these can do the job without draining your wallet. This is perfect for you if you need a straightforward and affordable replacement for your Tacoma. Skip this one if you're looking for something long-lasting or performance-oriented. For the price, you can't really go wrong. To wrap things up, we've covered a range of shocks from budget options like the A-Premium to more comprehensive kits like the Detroit Axle. Each has its strengths, depending on your needs and budget. So, if you're looking for the best shocks for your Tacoma, the Detroit Axle Kit offers a complete solution, while the Torch Extended shocks are great for lifted models. The Rough Country options balance performance and price, and if you need something cost-effective, the A-Premium is a solid choice. Whatever you decide, make sure it fits your driving style and Tacoma model.